अस्सलामुअलैकुम प्यारे बच्चों, a very good morning to all children. Today our subject is mathematics. Madini Primary Urdu School, Jogeshwari West, Standard 4th. In last video, we have already learnt how to add the numbers. Today we are going to learn addition with carrying over. Let's see the examples. Tanvi has 637 beads. Sanvi has 574 beads. How many beads do the two girls have altogether? Adding 7 single beads to 4, we get a string of 11 and 1 bead is left over. 3 string of 10 added to 7 string is equal to 10 strings. Adding 1 new string makes a total of 11 strings of 10 beads each. Joining 10 out of 11 strings makes 1 purse of 100 and 1 string is left over. Together, the two girls have 11 purses of 100 beads. 1 new purse added to the 11 purses makes a total of 12 purses. Of these, 10 purses of 100 beads each taken together make 1 wallet of 1000. Let us make 1 wallet of 1000. 2 purses of 100 are left over. The beads of both girls together make a total of 1211 beads. Now let's see the second example. Seema has 474 beads. Reema has 337 beads. How many beads do the two girls have altogether? Let's see how to solve this. First, we start adding from unit place. 4 plus 7 becomes 11. In 11, 1 is on unit place and 1 will carry forward to 10 place. Now we will add 10 place digits, that is 7 plus 3 becomes 10 plus 1 equals to 11. 1 will write on 10 place and 1 will carry forward on 100 place. Now we add 100 place digits, that is 4 plus 3 becomes 7 plus 1 equals to 8. So what is our answer? 811. The two girls have altogether 811 beads. Thank you.